Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. We're here at Merus Adventure Park. We're here with a group of guys and ladies that have anything from 4Runners to Jeeps to Tacomas. We got a Lexus, we've got a Silverado. Anyway, we're out here checking out the trails, spending the weekend, and we're gonna have a good time. So stick around and we'll show you what trails we take, and hope that you enjoy the ride, but it'll be great. So stick around, you won't want to miss it. So we're here at Hetz Bluff. This is one of the spots that they have on their map that's just kind of one of the lookout points. But anyway, super cool spot. You're kind of on just this bluff that's here, and got this cool little rock formation back here behind us. Anyway, super cool spot. This view you can see for days. So I was just going to share what we did, or what we've done while we've been here so far. So here's the main entrance, and you take this green, this Merus 101, comes all the way down to the canyon to the backside, and we're camped down here on the backside, down in the canyon. And that's a pretty mild trail. This is where it drops in. Here is a pretty steep decline. From the main gate, we also came out to Hetz Bluff, and that was a really neat place. I showed some of it in the video. Kind of just a shelf here overlooking the canyon. Cool little camera spot or picture spot if you're here. Then we took this VR4 north and up to these other two lookouts, and that trail was a little more technical, but the Forerunner handled it well. All the vehicles that are with us handled it well. And then we've kind of just made our way back down to camp for lunch. So I think after lunch we're gonna go see what else we can find. But y'all stick around. I hope that you're enjoying it. I hope that it's helpful. You know, getting to see the terrain. But stick around and come along with us.
Ends up at Experience Drop.
Okay, but I don't want to put up to fight.
Yeah, but it takes a bill. That old one? Well,
I will open up the gates and let's have in flip.
Why do we have a frisbee and haven't played frisbee?
All of our cars have frisbees.
Why?
Oh,
Why don't we play some frisbee?
I'm like, just doing, hitting holes in
Doing hit frisbee things?
Yeah, just ripping the frizz.
Thank
I don't know why I'm burning so much gas out here. I've had
Good morning, everybody. As you can see, we've had a great morning at camp. Lots of, just hanging out, cooking breakfast. Everybody cooked a little something different, and some of them even had extra that they shared with everybody, and it's some good stuff. And anyway, we're just having a blast out here. We get all these families and all these kids, and just such an inviting, fun place to hang out. And I think everybody has thoroughly enjoyed this trip. It's not always about getting out and driving these trails. That's a big part of it, but just sitting around, talking to everybody, getting to know new people, and build relationships. It's been a cool experience, and what better place to do it in a place like this. So anyway, we did some trails yesterday, and I think today we're gonna go do a few more. But anyway, come along with us and see where we go, see these trails. If you're interested in coming out, we can get you fixed up or at least direct you in the right spot to get you some access out here. And anyway, it's a great place. It's been a lot of fun. But anyway, just stick around, and hopefully we can get on some trails today, not tear anything up. So I'm here with James. What do you think of the park so far?
Man, it's pretty good. It's pretty good stuff. It's lots of fun trails. It's really pretty. Yeah, you can't beat the views for sure.
What about the people that are here? Are they decent?
The ones in my camp are pretty decent. No, yeah, everybody's nice.
We've had a good time just sitting around talking.
Absolutely, man.
It's not all about the trails always. It's, some of it's been just sitting around hanging out and sharing stories and life stories, and
seeing everybody's setup's cool.
Yeah. Everybody's kind of got something a little different. We got all kinds of stuff out here. We got Forerunners, Tacomas, Silverado. We got all kinds of setups. So
37 children in our camp.
Yeah, 137 children.
137 children in our camp.
So one kid is equal to 12 out here.
Yeah.
So we got a bunch of kids. It's been great.
Yeah, it's been a blast. I've really enjoyed it.
Yeah,
we're gonna get till next time.
Yeah, that's his. So that's straight from Jimmy. You heard it.
Guys, what are you doing?
playing in the mud. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey, get out of here, dude!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I...
Good morning, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed the trip. We just got all packed up from our last night here, and we got a little bit of rain last night, so stuff's a little damp, a little wet, but maybe it'll knock the dust down because we had some pretty bad dust yesterday after it dried out. But anyway, we're gonna make our way to the top, so stick around and let's see if we can get out of here.
Even if the sky is falling down, jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my high.
Well, our time here at Merus Adventure Park has come to an end. We had a great weekend, great couple days. Lots of stuff to see here. Hope you get to come enjoying it for yourself. Bring your family, bring your kids. It's just a super cool place. Lots of trails to drive on, and they're all at different skill levels. You know, it's just a good place to kind of stretch your legs and you know, have a little fun. So again, this is Merus Adventure Park, and it's been great. And we stopped one last time to make this little view here right behind us. This is Hetz Point, kind of one of their popular photo areas. But anyway, we thank you for coming along, and we're gonna head home, so don't forget to keep on rambling.